going to see the conditional statements and blocks. Okay, let me see what are the conditional statements. Conditional statements let a program make decisions and choose different paths depending on whether certain conditions are true or false. For example, in everyday life, we do naturally. If it is raining, we take an umbrella, else we go without it. In programming, the decisions are writing using if, else if, and else cases. And also in programming, we use the conditions to code to execute. Code is the setting conditions, true is else if, and else is a code, none conditions are true. These are the things occurs in the conditional statements. Let me move for the next slide. There are 4 types of conditional statements are there. One is a if statement, another one is if else statement, third one is if else if, that is a elif else later, and final one is a nested if statement. First we check simple if. Simple if is nothing but it's check a condition. If it is true, the code inside runs, otherwise it's skipped. For example, we take x is equal to 10. If x is greater than 10 means print x is greater than 10. That is, for example, we take on one real-time example. My age is 20. I tell if age is greater than or equal to 18 means I can able to vote, eligible to vote. Flow condition is true means we want to execute block. If condition is false means we skip the method. And second one is a if else statement. If else statement is nothing but it runs one block if the condition is true, another block if it is false. Here we give the example x is equal to 3. If x modulus of 2 equal to 0 means print even, else print odd. This is nothing but x is nothing but x is 3. 3 modulus of 2 is equal to 0. No, it is not a 0. So it is an odd number. In real time example, we take age is equal to 60. If age is greater than or equal to 18 means we print we are eligible to vote. Else we are not eligible to vote. Like that we want to do in a real time example. Only one of the 2 blocks execute in this if else statement. Then if elif else later statement used when you have multiple conditions to check. For example, in here we give if x is greater than 0 means print positive. Else if x is less than 0 means print negative. The both is not occurs in the conditions means print 0. Like that we give. For example, real time example we take mox is 85. If mox is greater than 90 means we print the grade A. Else if mox is greater than or equal to 75 means we put grade B. Else again we give else if mox is greater than or equal to 50 means we put grade C. Else there is nothing condition is true means fail. This is the statement else if. Here this condition checks one by one from top to bottom, stops at the first true. These are the things. Next, nested if statement. Nested if statement is nothing but an if inside another if. When the decision depends on the another decision. For example, we take age is equal to 20. Here we give citizen is equal to true. If age is greater than or equal to 18 means if citizen, if age is greater than or equal to 18, and also he want to be a citizen of India, then we print we can able to vote. Else you must be a citizen to vote. Else again we give else you are too young to vote. These are the things. The second difference only if the first if is true. That is a nested if statement. What are the things you want to remember? Condition must evaluate to true or false. Intention is Python is mandatory for conditional blocks. Only one block in an if else later executes. Nesting allows multiple decision making but can make code harder to read. These are the things occurs in these later. And also some tips are there in conditional statements, Boolean logic, comparison operator, short circuit evaluations, multiple conditions in if, one line if statement, intention is a mandatory in Python, then also execution flow if elif else statement, avoid too much nesting statement. These are the things occur in the condition statements. Boolean logic is nothing but whether it is true or false. We can't combine conditions using and or not. These are the things. These are the things coming under in condition statements. Thank you.